Hey guys, I have a fun Louis Vuitton reveal today, and I'm going to show you what boxes came, and I am only keeping one of the items, so let's see if you can guess which one. So I got this big box, and then I got two smaller boxes. So if you want to see what I kept, keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sierra. I make videos on luxury, lifestyle, beauty, blah, 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 whatever I feel like talking about at that moment. Okay, are you ready? So I'm gonna show you what I did not keep first. I will be returning this little item, which is a monogram key pouch, and I want one of these so bad because they're so cute. They're just so cute, but my keys won't all fit on here is the first thing. I don't really need this for cards. I mean, I could find a use for it, but the main reason why I don't like this, I'm gonna show you. So, say you've unzipped this, right? And you're like, okay, I'm ready to zip this back up. Do you see that? It's not, and this is not the first one that's done this to me. You have to hold it like this, and then it will zip. Like, what the frick? And maybe that's because it's empty, I don't know. If you guys have a different experience, let me know. But I just know that, like, if I'm in a rush and I'm like, brr, 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 that is so annoying. I'm not gonna carefully go like this every single time. So that is a huge reason why I'm taking it back. And again, I have noticed that before on a different one as well in a store. So I don't know. I don't know if it's just empty, like I said again, but I am not going to be keeping that. The second item that I think I'm returning, I'm like 90% sure, is the other small SLG. And this is the monogram card holder. Now, the reason that I got this is because I have a Gucci Marmont wallet right now, and I wanted something so that when I downsize or when I just need a couple cards, I could put it in a card holder instead of just having cards loose, because it just makes me kind of nervous. And then I was talking to a friend of mine on Instagram the other day, and I also have a Chanel card holder. And she had mentioned that a lot of cards that she doesn't need to carry with her every day, she just leaves at home. And for some reason, I liked carrying all my cards with me, and so that's why I wanted a larger wallet. But I was just like, it was like a lightning bulb. I was like, I don't need to carry all these cards with me. I can use my Chanel card holder that I love. And I'm going to show it to you right now. It's this. So it's a little, you know, it's obviously bigger than this. So it can hold all the cards that I need, because I do need a little bit more than this on the daily. So I think that this is going to be my new wallet, and I'm going to be returning this for sure, and most likely selling my Gucci wallet. And I'm going to be doing a different video on things that I'm going to be selling, so if you're interested, that will be coming soon as well. So I kept the big box, which is the funner box anyways, and it's not in the box anymore. I'm already using it, and it is the Neverfull MM in the Damier Ebene print, and I could not possibly love it more. I am obsessed with it. I am shocked at how much I love it, honestly. Like, I have toyed with the idea of getting this bag for a long, long time, months, maybe even longer. And I've always wanted something in the Damier Ebene print. I don't have anything. Everything I have is monogram. And I have I'm gonna try and set this down because it's heavy because all my stuff's in it. I have a Neverfull in the jam size in the monogram, and it's just too big. It's just huge. It's too big for every day. I actually went to the dentist with it once and she was like totally joking, really sweet, but she was like, where would you like to set your luggage? I was like, it's totally true. It's huge. It's a carry-on purse. It's for travel and I love it and I still have it. I don't really plan on selling it, but for every day, this is such a good size. And I just don't know where to put this, but I want you guys to be able to see it. Here, let's move the camera back a little bit. There you go. Oh, now it's gonna fall. So up until recently, I had been using my Longchamp Les Pliage, and I just had assumed that this bag and the Longchamp were pretty comparable in size and, you know, structure, everything like that. So I got this and I was thinking, you know, I might return it. I might, you know, I can just use my Les Pliage. No, 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 no. They are extremely different bags. They are different sizes, different structures, completely different. So I'm going to actually be doing a video on that because I was so shocked at how different they are. So I wanted to just do a video for you guys showing you that. So anyways, just a quick reveal. I love it. I'm 100% keeping it, and it is already my current favorite bag, and I just love it. It's so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Coming up soon, I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. I'm going to be doing a comparison video of this and my GM Neverfull, also between this and my Longchamp Les Pliage like I just mentioned. And I have some other videos coming up as well soon. So I've missed you guys and I'm glad to be back, and I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.